And yesterday I did a video. I explained in detail how the spirits involved in any meeting online, or people who do clearing, healing, whatever online, can influence and get attached to people. This client has been contacting me for a couple of weeks or more. She doesn't feel well, lack of enthusiasm, lack of energy, heavy. And I scanned her and I found 3 human spirit attachments, 4 non-human and 3 energy parasites. And the same thing for the last 2 weeks. And a very important part of my work is to find out why my client got these entities attached to her astral body. This is very important because if I don't do that, they keep doing the same thing and getting these attachments again and again. And then she asked me how God allows this entity to be attached to us and make us suffer unnecessarily, which is true, but there is a reason. So I know her very well for over 2 years, probably 3. And I know she's very healthy and she's working really hard. She's meditating every day and following most of the suggestions that I gave her. But we had a conversation and I explained why these spirits attach to people. They are from the satanic consciousness, so they just want to bother people. And then, right before the session, like it always happens, my clients tell me what is the root cause of all this weakening, or if they are weak already, they get into places where they get these attachments. And she said, could you check if this law, the law of miracles event that I'm taking is the cause of these spirit entities attached to me? And I asked her, do you do it in person or online? No, it's online. It's this person, Barbara something. She's very well known. She wrote a lot of books, but she's not in the Zoom meeting. And in the Zoom meeting, there is a person that have the tarot cards. She draw the tarot cards, and in the middle of the meeting, she says, "Oh, I draw the tarot cards. I see this, and this. Okay, there it is. I'm going to ask." So I ask if the energy of the meeting is progressive, connected with the spirit, the boss, or is connected or regressive, connected with satanic forces. And sure enough, is connected with dark forces. So we found out how she gets these spirits from. And yesterday I did a video. I explained in detail how the spirits involved in any meeting online, or people who do clearing, healing, whatever online, can influence and get attached to people. So this client of mine is not strong enough energetically and spiritually to be protected against these spirits. So being spiritual doesn't mean that you are going to the internet and start doing any course, anything, any meeting that claims to be spiritual. It could be, but if the people participate in these online meetings are connected to dark energies, and probably they don't mean that, they don't mean harm, but they are connected to dark spirits, like using the tarot cards. So these spirits from other people, or from the energy that the meeting draws, because it's the average of everyone there, this spirit can get attached to you if you participate in a Zoom meeting. So we found the solution, and she will stop doing that meeting. And the reason I am doing this is for you. When you go to the internet, I think it's 70% or more of the videos that are out there are connected with very low, dark, regressive energies. Now you're thinking, well, how can I avoid that? Well, it is your responsibility to connect with the Spirit, God, and only God, with the boss, so you are guided and you are protected. When you are connected with that Spirit, you have a discriminative wisdom that will tell you what is good for you and what is not good for you. So at the end, it is a responsibility. But again, there is not a good idea to get into any meeting, any teachings, any healing that is offered out there, because if you're not strong enough, you're going to be affected negatively by the dark energies, the toxic energies, the entities, or the spirits attached to that event, attached to those people, attached to that group. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions regarding this subject or any other subject you want me to talk about, just let me know. Leave a comment here or send me a message. God bless us all.